1 pound 450 grams ground beef 80% lean, 20% fat for juiciness. 1 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon black pepper, half a teaspoon garlic powder optional, half a teaspoon onion powder optional. 4 hamburger buns, toppings optional, sliced cheese cheddar, American, or Swiss, lettuce, sliced tomato, sliced pickles, onion sliced or caramelized, ketchup, mustard, mayo, or other sauces. In a large bowl, gently mix the ground beef with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Do not overmix to avoid tough patties. Divide the mixture into 4 equal portions. Shape each portion into a round patty about 1/2 inch thick and slightly wider than the buns. They'll shrink as they cook. Use your thumb to press a shallow dimple in the center of each patty. This helps them cook evenly. Grill method. Preheat the grill to medium-high heat. Cook the patties for 3 to 4 minutes per side for medium doneness. Stovetop method. Heat a skillet or grill pan over medium-high heat. Cook the patties for 3 to 4 minutes per side until browned and cooked to your desired doneness. Lightly butter the inside of the buns and toast them on the grill or in a skillet until golden brown. Place the cooked patty on the bottom half of the bun. Add your desired toppings and sauces. Top with the other half of the bun. Serve immediately with fries, chips, or a side salad.